I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show around this lovely 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Outside the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors. Inside the car there's DAB digital radio, dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter. The car also features speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around.
We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.